So while conducting checking for the on the run-up of the upcoming elections, we found suspicious movement, and our team followed them. And after waiting, we found people carrying handles of some item on their hand, moving towards the Karnataka border from the Kodegaon kind of center. So, trying to catch them, we found that they were carrying illegal liquor. So, upon searching, we found illegal liquor store. So, our team seized the entire amount, which is around amounting to around 10 lakh rupees. And now we are going to hand over the case to the authorities.
You know, at what time, like, the raids were conducted between what time?
It was not a raid. We were following the movement, so it was around 5:30 in the morning.
How many people are detained?
We have brought them here for their statements. We are going to hand over them to the Excise Department. There are 8 of them right now.
Can you identify the detained people who
We
were
have the
involved in
details.
this?
We have the details.
No, you should have the details.
Yeah, we have the details.
Can you mention it?
I'll have to.
No.
I'll mention.
उधर स्टोर हो रहा है ऐसा कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन था?
ऐसा कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं था. हम लोग 2-3 दिन से ड्राइव कर रहे हैं. उसमें आज हम ड्राइव कर रहे थे, हमें सस्पिशियस मूवमेंट दिखा, तो उसको हम फॉलो कर रहे थे. तो उस फॉलो करते करते हम लोगों को ये चीज़ चांस मिली.
10 lakhs.
ये एक्साइज को हैंडओवर किया नहीं, इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया है उन्होंने एक्साइज.
हम अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स रेडी कर रहे हैं और उनको हैंड ओवर कर देंगे जैसे हमारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स रेडी होंगे.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.